Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find someone's YouTube video tag on any iOS device.
We are the farmers.
So guys, first of all we have to download an app named as HTML Viewer. So we will go to the App Store and search HTML Viewer and download it. Now we will go to the YouTube app to copy the URL link of the video which we want to see the tags of. After copying the URL link of the video, we will go to the HTML Viewer app. Now we will go to the settings option in the bottom right corner and select input URL and paste the URL of the video and press go. After that we have to wait until the page loads. Now we have two options. We can either select view source in the settings or the upper left corner icon. After that we have to press the search button and write keyword. That's it. No space or dot after that. We can use these buttons above to change the size of the text. Now we just need to find the word keyword, and if your result shows up with multiple words such as 3 or 4 keywords like mine, you just need to see beneath all of the 3 keywords and one of them will have tags beneath it like here. So there you go guys, this is how you find anyone's YouTube video tag on an iPhone or any iOS device.